Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes again with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you on how to make delicious and best fried chicken. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share. Yes, the first ingredient I have here is chicken. So our chicken is well washed. And the next thing you're going to be doing is to transfer it into a bigger bowl like so. Then you salt the chicken. After salting the chicken, you mix together. Add some seasoning powder and mix. So here we combine our spices. I have powdered ginger and garlic here. Then this is paprika. This is dried Cameroon pepper. Then seasoning powder, grated nutmeg. Then you incorporate and mix very well. Also add your thyme. Can as well add rosemary spice, okay? Then you mix very well to combine. Next, you're going to add some spices we just mixed. You're going to add it into the chicken. Then you combine. You're going to leave this for 30 minutes or more. So here we have our eggs. We're going to be taking the egg whites, okay? What we need for this is the egg whites, so here is my homemade buttermilk. I'll be adding the egg whites in the buttermilk. Then you mix. The next thing you're going to do is to sift your flour. This is all-purpose flour. Then you add some cornstarch and sift as well. You mix the corn flour and together. Then you add the mixed spices. Add the mixed spices to the cornstarch and all-purpose flour mixture, okay? Then you combine like so. So here we have our seasoned chicken, our buttermilk mixture, and our flour mixture. So you dip the chicken into the buttermilk mixture, then you coat with the flour, or rather the seasoned flour, okay? Dip into the buttermilk, then into the flour and coat. So here is our well-coated chicken. The next thing you're going to do is to pour in a good amount of vegetable oil into a pot. Use a deep pot, okay, for this. Then leave it to heat up. Then you add the chicken. So guys, our delicious and best fried chicken is ready. You're going to fry this on medium heat, okay? Transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. And guys, we have a delicious and best fried chicken, okay? So guys, I would love you to try this recipe out. You're going to love this recipe. It was so delicious, okay? So if you've been wanting a kind of tasty crunchy kind of fried chicken, guys, this is a recipe, you know, to try out, and you're going to love it, okay? Share with your friends and family this season, you know, tell them to try out this recipe, and I bet you they are going to enjoy and love this recipe. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely celebration. Bye guys, love ya.